today we're gonna get inspired by this amazing rainbow wig right here from Kryssma. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Without a doubt, my favorite wigs are colorful wigs. And so this one, I am so excited because it is a true rainbow and I don't have anything like this. So this wig not only has the most gorgeous like color gradation of these vibrant colors, but also has, as you can see, these gorgeous waves, which I'm so excited to brush out. And then also, from looking at it, I'm actually excited too, kind of has like these kind of like long bangs here in the front, which are really softly curled, so I feel like it's gonna look very dreamy. And then also what I'm really excited about, just getting right into the construction, is this really beautiful deep parting. So that's like a solid 4 inches right there. So that's gonna be really, really fun. She does have light lace right here, as you can see. She does have 2 combs kind of in the sides right here, and then she has 1 comb in the back. She has a really nice stretch, also a medium wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. Let's get this girl on. So she does come with 2 wig caps in nude, which is really nice. I will be using, of course, my favorite wig cap right here in nude, which I did get from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99, and I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, I am already in love with it. Look at this front right here. It is gorgeous. And this lace is actually really soft, so really, really pretty. So let's take a look at the hairline and see what we're working with. So so tragedy just occurred. This earring just broke right off. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to glue this later. I love these earrings. Anyway, so she is decently plucked, as you can see right here. But of course, you know, plucking her more, you know, of course, would be amazing for your best wig life ever. The actual parting also, you know, just probably a little lightening up. So let's cut off the lace and see what we're working with. Oh my gosh, I mean, this is just so pretty. I absolutely am in love with it. And even though she is like 150% density, she actually does not feel overwhelming at all. So let's take our wig brush and lightly brush her out. Okay, from brushing out, she is stunning, as you can see. She had very minimal shedding considering she is 30 inches. She is heat safe, so if you do want to heat modify, you absolutely can. So what we're gonna do now is, as you know, my favorite thing to do is shift the wig cap and see what kind of look she's gonna give. And definitely she's gonna give some different looks since this is kind of curled differently. So let's switch her on my left eyebrow, which is where I normally part my hair. So this side, I feel like she could definitely give almost like a siren vintage kind of look right here, as you can see. You know, you can definitely like pin her back a little bit. But yeah, this is definitely like really, really pretty. Of course, if you did want to, let's say, pop her up, let's just see. Oh yeah, that's definitely a look, kind of giving her a little bit of volume up here, like playing with these waves that are already in place, like really, really pretty. I do love this. All right, so let's switch it to the other side. Oh yes, this is very pretty and definitely different. Definitely this one, I feel like you can put it more in your face. And just has like a different with the curl pattern, but I really feel like either way you can really mess with it, especially since these kind of have like the longer layers in the front. What do you guys think about this? Let me put her back down the middle again. Yeah, so she is definitely a winner. I mean, I really, really love this. Sometimes I'm a little bit nervous when wigs are really long, but this does not feel aggressive. I think because it's just not like super, super thick here. I mean, it's plenty thick, just not overly thick, which is great. So I want to know if any of you have this wig or if you have a favorite rainbow wig. I seriously want to see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is such a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your wig looks. I absolutely love it. So thank you all for sending them. And always remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this gorgeous rainbow wig from Kryssma, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye!